Where is he at?
Where is he? Oh no!
On my face. All right, get against the wall. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for caring for kids. Your bond's gonna be $500. Let's go.
Oh, this is so embarrassing. I can't believe I've been arrested for caring for kids. Hey guys, this is Christopher Alexander. I am Mr. A to most of the students at middle school, and I'm also a pastor in the community. I've been chosen by Communities and Schools to have my bail set at $500 to help raise money for our kids in our community. Community and Schools is an awesome organization that raises money and awareness for our kids who are in need. I'm asking for you guys, if you will, to partner with me and help raise money for Communities and Schools. $500 is a very easy ask. This is an awesome chance for you to engage and support such an awesome organization. This is what I want to ask to my friends, especially people who are able, and my business leaders in this community. I'm asking that you would partner at $100 with me. And so I only need 5 people, 5 businesses or 5 people who simply say, you know what, I do want to give to Communities and Schools, but I'm asking that you would support Communities and Schools. Would you help me raise this money? Also, anybody can give any dollar amount, even $1 really helps. And so if you can give $1, if you can give $5, if you can give $10, if you can give $20, whatever you're able to give, it would be really appreciated. Again, it's for our kids, it's for our boys and girls, it's for our community. This is for a brighter future in Fitzgerald. So I'm asking that you would donate. Again, I'll share the link with you below, and please donate. We love you guys. God bless you. See you later.